In a bustling lab, Dr. Whizbang announced, "Eureka! I have discovered a cure for hiccups." His assistant Tim raised an eyebrow. "Really? How?" Dr. Whizbang grinned. "It's simple. Just hold your breath while standing on one leg and reciting the alphabet backwards." Tim chuckled. "Sounds like a circus act, not science." The doctor replied, "Exactly. Laughter is the best medicine." As the team burst into giggles, Tim added, "Next, let's cure sneezes with a dance-off. Remember, laughter heals." Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.